Magandang hapon po ng September 25, 2025 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 25, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, September 25, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Thursday, September 25, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, September 25, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 25, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.